integration of 2x plus 5 root under 4x square plus 12x plus 45 dx. We will solve this question by using two methods. Okay, so here is the first method. Let I is equal to integration of 2x plus 5 4x square plus 12x plus 45. This is under integration, so dx. Now is equal to, so that means p, and the integration of this is 4x square plus 12x plus 45. We consider here is no root, so let's suppose we have no root in here. So here is the question. So if we suppose here is no root, so the question will be 4x square plus 12x plus 45. So that means the integration of this part is 4x is equal to 8x plus integration of 12x means 12. So here is the integration, and right, it is 4x square plus x plus 45 dx plus q integration of 4x square plus 12x plus 45. Okay, integration of this. How did I do this? Okay, so here is q is equal to integration of 4x square plus 12x plus 45. So we have written this because of this formula. Okay, mx plus c x square plus dx. So we have suppose this is the integration of this ax square plus bx plus c is 2ax plus b. So we have suppose p 1p, and we have written, we have separated this as the, this is the derivation of this form, and this is the another q side. Okay, always written right like this. Okay, so we will solve this. P, here is, we have suppose p and integration and the derivation of the derivative of this 4x square plus 12x plus 45. It is the derivative, and as it is question, and dx plus and q, and as it is question 2x 4x square plus 12x plus 45. Okay, we will not write this. Okay, so now here we have, so that here we will multiply like this. This is p and this is 8 in the variable of x. So that means 8p is equal to 2. So as we have 2a into p is equal to m, and for q we have pb plus p into b. First of all, we multiply this with this 2ap, and then here m is equal to m, and then again 2pb plus q is equal to e. Okay, always understand this. Okay, now 8p is equal to 2 and 12p we multiply this 2 plus q is equal to, here is x, or here in the place of e we have here 5. Okay, so now we will solve it. So here p is equal to 1 by 4. So we have value of q is 2. So now therefore I is equal to, so here we will write in this form, in this equation. So here p is equal to 1 by 4 8x plus 12 4x square plus 12x plus 45 dx. Okay, plus, so what we have in the place of q, the value of q is 2 integration of 4x square plus 12x plus 45. Okay, so now we will write 1 by 4 dot, so here is the, this is the derivation value of this 4x square plus 12x. The derivation of this term is 8x plus 12. So in this case, in this case we will write 2 by 3 dot 4x square plus 12x plus 45 3 by 2. Always remember this is the formula, okay? If we have the derivation of outside this value, okay? So here is the derivation of this, and the derivation of this term is this. So we will write the formula as here is the integration, okay? This is the formula. So now this is the output of this first term, and for this second term plus 2 4x square plus 12x plus 45, okay, root under dx. Now this is for the second term. Now we will solve this second term, okay? 1 by 6 4x square plus 12x plus 45 3 by 2 plus 2. So we will solve it. So here it means 2 root under, so we will change it in the either a form of x square minus a square, or x square plus a square, or a square minus x square. So now here 2x square plus 2 dot x square plus 2 dot x 2 to the 4. So here is 3. Okay, so 3 plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 45 dx. Okay, that means here is the, so we can suppose 2x square plus 3 square minus 3 square plus 45 dx. Okay, so now x square plus 12x plus 45 3 by 2 plus 2 and integration root under 2x plus 3 square, as it is in the form of a plus b square form. So square plus 6 square, that is 36. We have written 36. So 1 by 6 4x square plus 12x plus 45 3 by 2 plus 2 dot. So here what we have is we have the formula for this, that means x square plus a square dx. The formula for this is x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 log x plus x square plus a square plus c. Okay, so the formula for this formula is x square plus a square, x root under x square plus a square by 2 plus a square by 2 log x plus root under x square plus a square by 2 plus c. Okay, so we'll implement this. So here we have 2. This total is the x, and this is the a. Okay, this is x and this is a. So now that means we'll write 2 dot here x means 2x plus 3. Okay, 2x plus 3 root under x square plus c square means this total term 2x plus 3 square plus a square means 6 square by 2. Okay, this is the term. So now, okay, this is the term. So now for again this we have to do this, and plus a square means 6 square, that means 6 square 2 log x means 2x plus 3 plus x square plus a square means 2x plus 3 square plus 6 square plus c. Okay, so here we will get the result is 1 by 6 plus 12x plus 45 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 2x plus 3 plus 3 root under 4x square plus 12x plus 45. As we have solved this, as we further solve this, the output will be like this: 45 plus 18 log 2x plus 3 plus 4x square plus 12x plus 45 plus c. So this is the required solution we have get. So this is the total required solution. Therefore, I is equal to. So we will solve this question by another step. Okay. So second step. So second step is I is equal to 2x plus 5 4x square plus 12x plus 45. Okay, we'll solve this by another step, using another step. So for this, here the derivation of this term is I is equal to, we'll write integration, and derivation of this term is 8x plus 12. Okay, so this is the derivation of this term. Now for second step, I will show you. So as in question we have here 2x plus 5. That means when you divide the this 8x by 4, suppose 8x by 4 is equal to 2x. Okay, so that means when you divide this term by 4, we will get 2x. So now, but when you divide this term by 2, when you divide this 12 term by 4, we will get 3. But we have here 5. So we have to make sure that we will get 5 when you divide by 4. Okay, so for that we need to add plus 8. So plus 8. So when we add plus 8, that means 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. Okay, so when you divide 20 by 4, we will get the value of 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. So okay, so that means, so here in detail, if we have 8x plus 20 by 4, we will get the answer 2x plus 5. Okay, so here we get the desired output. That means when you divide add the plus 8, when you add this term by plus 8, we will get the desired output when you divide by 4. That means, so here this is the term. So here 4x square plus 12x plus 45 dx. So here is 1 by 4. Okay, when you divide this total term by total term, we will get the answer, desired output, that is in the question. Okay, so this is a simple step. So here this is the simple step. So now that means 1 by 4. Now we will separate this term. Always separate like this, as I have done. 8x plus 12 4x square plus 12x plus 45 dx. Always separate like this. Okay, plus, so we have multiplied this with, and 1 by 4 into 8 integration of 4x square plus x plus 45. Okay, we have integrated this. Now we'll solve it. So here is again we have already done. So this is the derivative of this. So we'll write this as 1 by 4 into 2 by 3 4x square plus 12x plus 45 3 by 2 plus and 2 and 4x square plus 12x plus 45 dx. And this is the same as we have already solved. Here we have already gotten this. So this is the term. In this way you can solve this problem. Okay.